Okay guys, so the new Honda NT1100 or 1100, or whatever you want to call it, it's out today. I'm going to see the bike in Italy, in EICMA, but I would like to show you actually, maybe you saw the video, which is the commercial from Honda. Maybe you're curious about that, where was it? And I know where was it, because it was here in the Canary Islands, specifically in the island called Tenerife. And I will show you also the locations if you are curious. And also we decided that this will be a very interesting motorcycle to our fleet for the rental. There's a couple of things I want to talk about it. The first thing is, okay, so I'm on the website, the local hondacanarias.com, and all the details on the specification you can find it on internet right now. But I just want to give like my first moment I saw the bike. I was like, it looks a bit, I was expecting something slimmer. It looks a bit fat. But when I after a couple of hours and watching some videos and watching more photos, I was like, yes, this actually makes sense. This is could be a very comfortable bike, and I think it could be like ultimate touring for a really good price. I mean, we still don't know what is the local price, but in Spain it's 14,400, including the side cases, which is quite nice touch. Let's see what is the local price in the Canary Islands, because we have different pricing here. Hello, this is Andre, editor. Meanwhile, I'm editing this video. The price show up on the local page. So the price is 13,995 in Canary Islands, which is really good. So yeah, just let you know. But and then the second thought was like, it looks fat, and I'm not sure, like maybe it's too much bike for a type of the roads we have here. There's a lot of technical, a lot of corners, but in the end it actually weighs the same as an adventure sport Africa Twin, and it's 238 kilos, which is reasonable. And yeah, so definitely we are going for the gray color, because the black is too black for me, and the white is just doesn't fit well, and I really like the gray one. But let's see what actually the bike, how it will ride. I'm gonna see that in Milan in the EICMA show, and I'm very curious what kind of feeling it will be, because it's the same engine as Africa Twin, as we know, and also it's the same frame, which is very interesting, So, and also I think that the dash and everything, it's the same thing. Maybe fine tuning will be there, but let's see. I want to show you now where is actually from the videos. I will show you a couple of good locations here. As you can see, the motorcycle and this model was shot here in Tenerife, in Canary Islands. So let's open Google Maps, and if you are from very far, this is the Canary Islands here, just by the Africa. It's part of the Spain, but we enjoy the special climate here, which is they call it Eternity Spring. So we can ride every day of the year, which is great. It's like a European Hawaii. Okay, we have the Canary Islands, which is made of 8 islands actually. We are based in Gran Canaria, but let's talk about the video now. This is the Tenerife, the biggest island, and one of the epic shots, as always, were shot in this Parque Nacional del Teide, which is the highest point actually of Spain. It's a volcano, and you have amazing sceneries here. I saw that there is a couple of shots from this spot, which is also very colorful. Yeah, the bike is riding through this canyon, and you can see there's more shots from this part, because you can see that the Teide is actually the highest point, which is here, is actually on the right side. So they did a lot of shooting here, and also I saw a couple of on TF21, which is going down to the coast. So this is very popular location for making commercials, and no wonder, because it's absolutely stunning. And you can also you could actually feel like you're on a different planet, because it's very different, and we love it there. So yeah, if you want to travel here, it's highly recommended to visit Tenerife as well. Another epic shot which was made on this commercial, it's from the north part of Tenerife, and that's the corner you could see on the video, which looks fantastic from drone. It's from the Park Rural de Anaga, and this road is going to Tagana, and you can find it actually here. I'll show you where is it. Here. Okay, so this is the epic shot they made in the north part, and also there is more, because they are going down here on this road. You can actually see it from here. There's a couple of shots here, and then there is a coast again, another epic photos, and it's all from the west coast, north part of Tenerife. So I think you can recognize from here this amazing thing. So this is one of my favorite parts in Tenerife, and no wonder, because it's absolutely stunning to see. Okay, my battery just died with camera as always, because they're small batteries. But anyway, Honda NT1100, 1100 actually, just so I can pronounce this name correctly. But anyway, Honda is using the engine, which is amazing, from Africa Twin, and also the frame, which was surprising for me. And they are doing a proper touring motorcycle, which is small, because comparing to it's actually a big bike, but comparing to Goldwing, it's not that big. So I think this will be very interesting to see, like what kind of clients they would like to have it. I think when I see it like that, I think it makes sense, you know, for Honda to use it, the platform what they actually have now, and for sure they will. A lot of people who are not that tall, because we actually forgot to mention that the standard seat is 820 millimeters, which is okay, and for sure they will have a lower seat. So let's see what kind of people would like to have. I'm curious, what do you think about this bike? And I'm curious if you actually like to visit Canary Islands. You can let me know. This bike will be here in Gran Canaria, and I think in our fleet end of January, maybe February, let's see. But definitely we already booked one, and I'm excited to see something new on the market, and also to see something here in Canary, right? So book your flight for Canary Islands. You can reserve this in end of January, I hope. And yeah, we'll be happy to see you and host you here in Gran Canaria. And you can actually visit all the islands from Canary Islands, don't worry. Okay? So, I will see you soon.